just a really creamy, satisfying drink. What's up my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? We got a special video for you today. I will be making a beauty Mylk, one of the best juices on the planet. This recipe is from Dan McDonald, the Life Regenerator. It's something low-key because he sent it to us in an email a few years ago, like once, randomly. But he's never promoted it on his channel, he's never put recipes up on his social media. So I want to share it because it's one of the best juice milks. It's a beauty milk. So if you don't know what a juice milk is, it comes from Lou Corona's Gorilla Milk, where he would mix a green juice with like celery, cucumber, and herbs, and maybe apples, with coconut almond milk. It's just basically taking a juice, mixing it with a nut or seed milk. So over here, we have coconut chopped up. This is the flesh of one coconut, and the juice of one coconut, and sesame seeds that have been soaked. So a couple of spoons of that. And this has the fat that's good for your brain and for long-term health with the coconut meat, and then the sesame seeds have magnesium, potassium, and iron, and have all the carbs, proteins, and fats to really help you nourish yourself and be healthy for the long term. Whereas this is where the beauty comes in, because the beets are really good for the kidneys, which really help your skin to glow. And celery fixes the hydrochloric acid in your stomach and helps you digest better. And then the fennel is really good for the lungs. And then apple is just great for your digestion. This whole drink is good for the digestion. So you can drink this any time of day, anyone can drink it. Dan the man, the Life Regenerator, recommends this for breastfeeding mothers to really keep the milk flowing. So this is like a human designed milk that's just from plants. No animals were used in the process. So I'm just gonna go and juice this, and then blend and strain through a nut milk bag the coconut and sesame seed. And then we'll bring it together, half and half in a jar, okay? So let's get it now. By the way, that was 6 stalks of celery, 1 beet, 1 large apple, and 4 stalks of fennel. Although I just used half of a fennel with like half the bulb and a few of the stalks because it was a small one. As for the milk, it's 1 cup of coconut, but this is like a couple of cups of coconut. So I'm gonna make a bigger portion, and I'm gonna save half for like a milk for myself, separate from the juice. 2 cups of coconut milk. This is a big cup. It's half a liter almost. But to make up for it, I'll put more water. And then half a cup of soaked sesame seeds. This is like a big cup. I'm going a bit off the recipe, but I'm gonna make more, just so I have a milk for later. So 1 cup of coconut, 2 cups of coconut water, half a cup of sesame seeds soaked, 6 celery stalks, 4 stalks of fennel, 1 beet, and 1 large apple. Juice, blend, strain, mix together. Let's do it. So what Lou Corona always does is he tries some of the juice first and tries some of the milk first. So we'll leave a little glass. Alright, next is blending time. Let's do it. Beautiful coconut flesh. Now the original recipe calls for Life Biotics, which is a probiotic from Puridyme, as well as Life Essentials, which is an enzyme from Puridyme, just to enhance this juice. But I don't have those products right now, but I highly recommend them, and I will get them as soon as I can because I use them whenever I can, because the enzymes really help break down the fats, proteins, and carbohydrates and help you digest really well. So you can eat almost anything and it'll digest like fruit, just like whew. Whereas the probiotics brings life to this. It makes this a living milk. So you can actually take the pulp and turn it into a yogurt with the probiotic. It also really helps with digestion and with regulating your gut microbiome. So let's blend this up. That was at least a minute and a half maybe. You could blend it for a couple of minutes. It's really chunky because I put so much coconut, so I'm gonna put more water. So now I got this coconut sesame seed pulp, as well as this coconut sesame seed milk. So now we got the coconut sesame milk. Oh my god, I'm so excited for it. And now we take this and pour it into the juice. So look closely. Watch the color change. It gets to like this brighter pink instead of a dark red. Bam! That is the beauty milk. So I'm excited to try it. Let's try the juice. Oh my god, I'm remembering how this is my favorite juice, the beauty milk. My favorite drink. This is really good. That is bomb by itself. Let's try the milk. Whoa, really coconutty. I went heavy on the coconut. It's not, it could use a sweetener, but it's all good. It's really creamy and nice. Together, it's just divine, heavenly. Cheers. May this drink bless me, keep me healthy, keep me strong, and keep me beautiful. It's lovely. It's really good. It could use more sweet, so either adding a sweetener to the milk or more apple, but actually no, now that I'm having it, it's settling in. It's just a really creamy, satisfying drink. If you need more sweet, just add more apple, but otherwise, this is a really good drink. So cheers! Beauty milk. This is one of my favorite drinks. This is so nourishing, so satisfying, so hydrating. This will help keep you raw, keep you healthy, so enjoy it. Cheers.